In today's video, I'm going to teach you Airtable Export PDF. If you need to turn an Airtable view into a clean, shareable PDF, this process is simple once you know where to look. The key is to prepare the view carefully before you print, because your PDF will reflect exactly what is visible on the screen. Start by opening the Airtable table, view, or interface that you want to export. Take a moment here to confirm that you're in the correct place and that the information showing is exactly what you want included in the final file. This is especially important if you work with multiple views or filtered layouts. Next, prepare the view before exporting. Hide any unnecessary fields that don't need to appear in the PDF and adjust your filters if needed. This step helps you create a cleaner document and makes the final PDF easier to read. If the view feels crowded, simplifying it now will save time later and reduce the need to re-export. Once the layout looks right, open the print option. Depending on how you're accessing Airtable, you may find a print option directly inside Airtable, or you may need to use your browser's print function instead. Either method works, as long as it brings you to the print settings window where you can control the output. When the print dialog appears, choose Save as PDF as the printer destination. This tells your device that you want a digital PDF file instead of a physical printed page. It's a standard option in most modern browsers and operating systems, and it's the setting that makes the export possible. After that, adjust the page settings. Set the paper size, orientation, and scale based on how your Airtable content is arranged. For wider tables, landscape orientation often works better. If the content looks too large or gets cut off, reducing the scale can help fit everything more neatly onto the page. These settings can make a big difference in how professional and readable the PDF looks. Before saving, review the PDF preview carefully. Look for any cut off columns, awkward spacing, or pages that don't flow well. This quick check helps you catch formatting issues before the file is finalized. If something looks off, go back and tweak the settings until the preview looks right. Finally, save the PDF to your computer. Choose a location where you can easily find it later, and give the file a clear name that matches the content. Once saved, your Airtable data is now ready to share, archive, or print whenever you need it.